Hello, I'm Ethan Lin. I love things in the ACG field, and I'm working on game effects related to it. In today's video, I'll be answering a question from an audience who asked, Ethan, how do I become a game effects expert? This is a great question. And I'm sorry, I'm also working towards becoming a game effects expert, but I can tell you 5 effective ways to improve your game effects learning level. After watching this video, I believe it will be very enlightening for your learning process. Before we start, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all my future videos. Thank you very much. First, the basic knowledge. You need to quickly master the basic knowledge of game effects, including the basic operations of modeling software, drawing effect textures, common functions of game engine particle systems, and tools such as VFX shaders to create effects. You can quickly learn their basic operations through some simple small case tutorials. Of course, my channel homepage also has a series of game effects tutorial videos for beginners updated from time to time, and it will continue to add new content, which will be very helpful for your learning. Second, doing a lot of practice. To solidify these basic knowledge, practice and repetition are key. You can watch advanced tutorials on YouTube or other online platforms and try creating different types of effects. As you do more and more practice, you will become proficient in the software and techniques used to create game effects. You can also find free effect resources on the Unity Store or Unreal Marketplace to learn from and reference. Third, enhance your art skills by learning about art principles, such as perspective, lighting, and color. This will help you create more visually appealing game effects. Look for high-quality game effect references on various art websites, and watch good work for inspiration and to make your work more diverse. Fourth, don't be afraid to try and research new technologies. Game effects technology is constantly evolving, so you need to continuously learn about the latest techniques and methods. You can improve your professional skills by taking paid courses, attending technology release conferences, browsing game effect forums, and participating in exchanges with your peers. You can even learn about knowledge in other game art fields, such as modeling, animation, UI, concept art, etc., which will help you have a deeper understanding of the role of game effects in the game development process. It's important to stay up to date with the latest tools and techniques in game effects creation as the field is constantly evolving. Keep an eye out for new software releases and updates, and consider learning new tools and techniques as they become available. The fifth and most important point is to follow your interests and choose different types of effects based on your personal preferences. When you face different styles of game effects, doing what interests you can help you better understand, remember, and apply the knowledge you have learned. Interests not only help you increase your learning motivation, but you will also be more willing to spend time exploring and challenging yourself, thereby improving your ability to create effects. For example, if I like watching Naruto, I can learn about their special effects art and related game works, such as Naruto Ultimate Storm, and apply it to my own portfolio. Finally, I'd like to share my personal experience learning game effects. I started by watching free tutorial videos online and learned the basics of game effects. Then, I added my own ideas to the cases I was learning and made them my own works, thereby establishing a personal portfolio. When I had accumulated enough of a portfolio, I included it in my personal resume and submitted it to game companies. As a result, I received an offer from a game company and successfully joined a game development team. In my work, I learned from my colleagues and worked together to solve various problems, and I improved a lot in my work. However, in my free time, I also used my personal time to learn about effects, and I learned a new modeling software, Blender. You can see my Blender learning blog on our channel homepage. Of course, I am also keen to share my knowledge of effects, because the process of sharing is also a process of organizing and strengthening my technical abilities. I hope the above information is helpful to you. If you have any questions for me, please leave a comment in the comment section below or send me an email. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give it a like and share it. And please click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get more interesting and fun game effect tutorials and learning experiences. Thanks, and I see you next time.